Hello guys, today I will explain you how you can export your Power BI report pages to Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can see here I publish one report to Power BI Cloud and I already log in my Power BI service account. This is URL app.powerbi.com. So firstly you have to create one report and then publish that report to Power BI Cloud. And you can see here this is project 2, this is my workspace, and under project 2 workspace under report section, I publish one report. This is my report name, import data underscore Excel underscore JSON underscore where. When I open this report, here I have 6 pages under that report. So you can see here, this is page 1. Here I have table visuals. In page 2, I have column chart. And same in duplicate page 1, I have table visuals. And in page 4, I have some line chart. So in all pages I have some visuals. Now I will export all pages visuals to Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is very good way to present your data at higher level. So you can export your all pages visuals to Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you can present your data to your higher level. So follow the some steps. Go to file, then click to export to PowerPoint, and then click to export. So it will take few minutes according to your page size. So here I have 6 pages, so it will take few seconds or minutes. Now you can see here guys, my report pages data successfully exported to PowerPoint. Now double click to open this PPT. Now you can see here all report pages successfully imported to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you can compare from cloud to PowerPoint. So you can see here this is my line chart and this is last page visual. So if I go to last page visuals in page 4, so you can see here, and in second last page I have some pie charts and bar charts. So you can see here in cloud. See, so here I successfully imported to my all pages data to Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can see here in first slide it is showing you report name and last refresh date and download date. Now you can present all report pages data to your higher level team. So hope you clear how you can export your report pages data to Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you guys.